Last night I went to my friend's birthday party. I mean Ella's birthday party. The food was amazing, and I definitely had more than I should. We danced, laughed, and had so much fun. But this morning I looked at myself in the mirror and thought, oh no, what am I gonna do with all those extra calories? I guess I need to work off those extra calories. By the way, do you know what work off mean? Make your guess and test yourself in the quiz at the end. Listen and repeat. Work on. Work on. Meaning, to spend time improving or developing something. Example, she's working on her English every day. She's working on her English every day. Work for. Work for. Meaning, to be employed by a company or person. Example, he works for an international company. He works for an international company. Number 3. Trust me, you'll want to know this one. Work with. Work with. Meaning, to cooperate with someone or use something. Example, I work with children at a local school. I work with children at a local school. Work through. Work through. Meaning, to deal with a problem step by step. Example, they work through their disagreements. They work through their disagreements. Number 5. Don't stop now. The best ones are coming. Work up. Work up. Meaning, to gradually develop a feeling or ability. Example, she worked up the courage to speak in public. She worked up the courage to speak in public. Work around. Work around. Meaning, to find a way to overcome a problem. Example, we found a way to work around the issue. We found a way to work around the issue. Number 7. Keep watching. You're getting closer to the quiz. Work toward. Work toward. Meaning, to make progress toward a goal. Example, he's working toward a promotion. is working toward a promotion. And here's the one that made you curious. Work off. Work off, meaning to get rid of something through physical activity. Example: I went for a run to work off the extra calories. I went for a run to work off the extra calories. Work out. Work out, meaning to find a solution, to exercise. Example: we finally worked out the answer. We finally worked out the answer. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. And the last word, work over. Work over, meaning to examine or improve something carefully. Example: she worked over her presentation before the meeting. She worked over her presentation before the meeting. Let's review the phrasal verbs and make ourselves ready for the quiz. Listen and repeat. Work on. Work for. Work with. Work through. Work up. Work around. Work toward. Work off. Work out. Work over. Quiz time! You know the meanings. Now it's your turn to use them. Test your knowledge with these 10 questions and see if you've truly mastered today's work phrasal verbs. You did it! Every new phrasal verb brings you closer to fluent English. Ready for the next challenge? Watch the next lesson, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.